In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save photos in Luminar Neo. First, let's clarify what saving really means in this app. Luminar Neo uses non-destructive editing, which means your original photo stays untouched while your adjustments are stored as instructions. You never need to press a save button. Every crop, color tweak, mask, or layer is written automatically into the catalog. You can close the app anytime, and when you reopen it, your edits are exactly where you left them. Think of the catalog as the notebook that remembers how each photo should look without baking those changes into the original file. Nothing is lost simply because you didn't manually save, and this is what makes the workflow both safe and flexible. If you want an actual image file you can send, post, or print, you'll need to export it. To do that, select the edited photo. Click Export in the top right corner, or right-click the image and choose Export. Now pick the format that matches your goal. Use JPG for everyday sharing and social media, balancing quality and small file size. Choose PNG when you need transparency or crisp graphics. Choose TIFF for the highest quality and maximum flexibility if you'll keep editing in another program. Next, choose the folder where you want the new file to go. Then click Export. Luminar Neo creates a brand new file in that location with your edits baked in. Your original stays intact, and your editing instructions remain safely in the catalog. You can export again later with different settings. Nothing is locked in. It helps to keep a simple distinction in mind. Editing is automatically saved inside Luminar Neo's catalog. Exporting is what creates a finished image file on your computer. There's no traditional save command in between because it isn't needed. If you've crafted a look you love and want to reuse it, you can store those adjustments as a preset. Open the Actions menu and choose Save as Preset. Later, apply that preset to other photos to maintain a consistent style and speed up your workflow. This doesn't export anything. It just saves the recipe for your edit so you can use it again with a single click. That's the whole process. Edit confidently knowing everything is preserved automatically, and when you're ready to share, print, or archive a finished version, export it in the format and location that fit your needs.